So did modern school not do enough to try and save the life of this young student? Well, joining us now, Raman Verma, Akkriti's uncle. Thank you very much for being with us. We understand how difficult this time is. Lots of questions are being asked. I'm going to ask you 3 specific questions. When she fell unwell, how did Akkriti contact you? Were you informed of the gravity of her situation? And was there a teacher with her at that time?
You see, the modern school has got a system of, going from pillar to post and rack your brains and fill forms and red tape before a child can reach a parent. Even in this time of, an eventuality, the child could not reach the mother. Now, one of the students was carrying a mobile phone hidden, stashed away, and, this child had to call up from this mobile phone.
Yes.
She got through to her mother and she mentioned to her mother that she's feeling unwell and that she should send the car. At that time, Akkriti was not so unwell.
All right, so that actually brings me to the next question. Why did Akkriti's mother not come to the school and instead send a driver? Because that's another point that's been raised. Why didn't the mother herself come?
Mother was following the car. There were 2 cars which reached over there.
Okay.
The driver and the car were stationed near their store in Horse Cars. She, gave instructions for the driver and the car to be sent from there, and she followed in her own other car from the house. Because she knew the traffic between here and Horse Cars was also about 5 to 10 minutes. So that would be ideally the reason why she sent the driver and the car from there, and she followed suit.
All right, Raman,
because every mother...
Yes, go ahead.
Every mother would be concerned about the child, and so was Vani. She followed she followed in pursuit, and she was there. Within the next 10-15 minutes that Akkriti reached, even Vani was there.
All right, Raman, did Akkriti have an asthma attack on the weekend? Was it wrong for the family to have sent her to school?
Akkriti... all asthma patients have some sort of a breathing problem, a wheezing problem when there's a change of weather. And about 10 days before the incident, she did go for nebulizing because she was having a little bit of breathing problem. And that's a normal procedure. You go for nebulizing, you feel better, you come home, that's it.
All right, Raman, thank you so much for clarifying those issues as far as what really happened in the minutes preceding the death of Akkriti. We're also joining us now on the phone line, Ashok Pratap Singh, the trustee of Modern School. Mr. Singh, there have been reports coming in that the principal of Modern School is likely to step down. There have been demands for this. What is your position on this? Because what we are being told is that a majority of trustees in the school actually wanted her out, and that there are just a few people who say that she should hang on.
Mr. Som, good evening. Firstly, let me say this is completely untrue. As far as the trustees are concerned, any trustee wanting any such thing would have spoken to me. There has been no such demand. The principal has not resigned. She has not been asked to step down. And I am extremely embarrassed to say that a national TV channel has been putting out continuously unverified, sensational reports to this effect. I just want to tell you that this is simply not true.
No, but Mr. Singh, rather than attack the media, which is a...
I'm not attacking the media.
But having said that, sir, isn't there a moral responsibility of the principal of this school to step down? This girl has died in this very tragic circumstance. Shouldn't she step down? That's a question which a lot of parents out there want to know.
Mr. Som,
yeah.
I first want to tell you that the fact of a child of the school having died is a matter of considerable grief. It's a fact which is something which makes us all sad and makes our sort of hearts go out to the family. At the same time, I also have to tell you that there are police inquiries going on, there is a Directorate of Education inquiry going on, and suo moto, I have stepped in to say that we will also conduct an investigation because we are interested in seeing what is right and what is wrong and what is improvable.
All right, fair enough, Mr. Singh. I think...
In the meantime, no, we are not going to ask her to step down.
All right, fair enough. So the principal of modern school, Vasant Vihar, will stay on as principal for the moment. A lot of people had been saying, a lot of the parents, well, Akkriti's parents and well-wishers had wanted the principal to go. Modern school saying that for the moment she's going to stay on. Well, do watch our special on Akkriti Bhatia at 10 p.m. this evening. The death of Akkriti, what are the lessons to be learned?